Joke, quote, and fact corner using the target vocabulary plight, spectacle, and humility. Let's read the joke together first. Look out for the word plight, which means a sad or difficult situation. A big burly man visited the church minister's home and asked to see the wife, a woman who was known for her kindness and generosity. "Madam," he said in a broken voice, "I wish to highlight the terrible plight of a poor family in this area. The father has no job, the mother is too ill to work, and the 4 children are hungry." The man continued, "They desperately need someone to help pay their rent, which amounts to $400. "How terrible!" exclaimed the minister's wife. "May I ask who you are?" The tearful visitor wiped his eyes. "I'm the landlord of the house," he sobbed. This man seemed to be very caring, but in fact he was being rather selfish. He went to the minister's wife, who was known for her generous handouts, and he said, "Look, there's a poor family. They need money desperately. They need $400 to help pay for their rent." And the minister's wife felt very sad. She wanted to give the money to him. So she said, "Who are you?" And he said, "I'm the landlord of the house." So actually, he was doing this for a selfish reason. He wanted the money because he was the landlord who would receive the rent. Now let's look at the fact. The World Cup tournament, which is held every 4 years, is the most watched sporting event in the world. Almost 50% of the world's population watched at least 1 minute of the football spectacle in 2010. The World Cup is a truly global spectacle. It's an event that everyone is interested in. In fact, in 2010, half of the world watched at least 1 minute of the World Cup. That is an incredible number of people. Now let's move on to the quote. Humility is the solid foundation of all virtues. Confucius. The Chinese philosopher Confucius said that humility is the solid foundation of all virtues. So humility, which is the quality of not thinking that you are above others, is the best place to start and become a good person. All other virtues come from this. So if you want to be a good, moral and upstanding person, humility is the foundation from which you must begin. So that's the joke, quote, and fact. I hope it's helped you. Now, to master these 5 words, make sure you listen to the MP3 as much as you can. I'll see you in the next lecture.